Okay, here the vector I plus xj plus 3k is rotated through an angle theta and doubled in the magnitude. Then it becomes 4i plus 2 plus 4x minus 2 into j plus 2k. The value of x r. Okay. Therefore, the vector I plus xj plus 3k is rotated through an angle and doubled here, double in its magnitude. Then it becomes this here. Therefore, 2 times of its magnitude here. I plus xj plus 3k is equal to magnitude of this one. So 4i plus 4x minus of 2 into j plus 2k. Okay. Now you simplify it. So 2 into magnitude of this vector gives the root of so 1 square here plus x square plus 3 square here, and the magnitude of this vector is given by root of 4 square then plus 4x minus 2 whole square here, 4x minus 2 its square plus then 2 square here. So both sides square roots are there. So squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. Therefore 2 square is 4 here. Square root and square cancels. 1 square is 1 plus x square and 3 square is 9 here. That is equal to, again square root get cancels, 4 square is 16 here, then plus 4x minus 2 whole square is 16 x square minus of 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 here, 16x and 2 square is 4, then plus and 2 square is 4 here, plus 4. Then x square, take 4 inside a bracket here, 4x square, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 10 4s are 40 here, plus 40, that is equal to, so 16x square, but right here 16x square here, minus of 16x, then 16 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 24 here, plus 24. Next take all the term on right side here, 16x square minus 4x square gives 12x square here, minus 16x and take 40 this side here, so 24 minus 40 gives minus of 16, that is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by 4 here, dividing both sides by 4, so 3x square here, minus of 4x minus 4, that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation here. So 3 4s are 12 here. Product should be minus 12, sum should be minus 4 here. So two numbers are 6 and 2 here. So 3x square minus of 6x plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Here 3x common factor here. 3x is the common factor. Therefore x minus of 2 here. And here 2 is the common factor here. So x minus of 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Therefore the value of x are minus 2 by 3 and 2x. So first option is correct. So if the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar form the sides BC, C and AB respectively, of a triangle ABC, then A bar dot B bar equal to B bar dot C bar equal to C bar dot A bar equal to 0. So obviously first option is wrong here. Okay, because A bar dot B bar is 0, then they are perpendicular. B bar dot C bar is 0, they are perpendicular. But C bar dot A bar equal to 0 means it is not, even this is also perpendicular, but it is not possible here, because A bar, B bar, C bar form a sides of a triangle here. So consider this vector A bar and this vector B bar. Okay, they are perpendicular here. Suppose this vector is a C bar here, then B bar, C bar not perpendicular, A bar, C bar not perpendicular here. Therefore, first option is wrong here. Next, second option here. Let us consider here if A bar, B bar, C bar form a sides of a triangle here, then obviously the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. So remember it here. If A bar, B bar, C bar are the sides of a triangle here, then this condition satisfied here. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 here. Take this C bar right hand side here. A bar plus B bar is equal to modular minus of C bar here. Take C bar right hand side. Now taking a cross product of A bar on both sides here. A bar plus B bar cross of A bar is equal to minus of C bar cross of A bar. Take this A bar inside the vector, inside the bracket here. A bar cross of A bar, then plus B bar cross A bar is equal to minus of C bar cross of A bar. And there is a property of cross product here. A bar cross A bar is a 0 here. So this is a 0. And B bar cross A bar is nothing but minus of A bar cross B bar here. That is equal to, or keep minus of A bar cross B bar minus of C bar cross F A bar here. So left side minus and right hand side minus becomes a plus here. Hence A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar cross of A bar here. Take result number 2. Okay, A bar cross B bar equal to C bar cross A bar. B bar cross A bar can be written as minus C bar cross B bar. Again, it is a property of cross product here. A bar cross A bar is 0. Even this is also property of cross product here. By this minus becomes a plus here. Also from 1. Also from 1 in. Take B bar right hand side here. So A bar plus C bar is equal to minus of B bar. Now take C bar on both sides, cross product of C bar here. A bar plus C bar cross of C bar is equal to minus of B bar cross of C bar. Okay. Yes. Then A bar cross C bar here. A bar cross of C bar, then plus T bar cross of C bar is equal to minus of B bar cross of C bar here. Okay. Then A bar cross C bar can be written as a minus of C bar cross of A bar here, and this becomes a 0 here, plus a 0 minus of B bar cross of C bar here. So left side minus and right hand side minus becomes plus here. Hence C bar cross of A bar is equal to B bar cross of C bar here. Take result number 3. So from 2 and 3. Okay, from results 2 and 3. So A bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross of C bar is equal to C bar cross of A bar. Hence, second option is correct. So the vector C bar, A bar and B bar are such that these three vectors form a right-handed system. Then C bar is equal to what here? Okay. So therefore, like this here. So this vector B bar, this vector A bar, and this vector C bar here. So here they form a right-handed system here. Okay. Therefore, let us consider the vector C bar as xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore, C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar cross A bar here. The vector B bar cross of the vector A bar here. That is the determinant of ijk. Then x B bar is 0, 1 and 0, and A bar is x, y and z here. Therefore, this is equal to I into z into 1 becomes z minus of 0 minus of j into 0, and this is 0 here. Both terms are 0 here. Then plus k into 0 into y becomes 0, and x into 1 becomes x here. So therefore, this equal to z into y, and this becomes 0 minus of x into k. So zi minus xk, first option is correct.